Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to group parts. So you can create new design, and as example I will create a rectangle in here. For the part 1, you can use Pool Tools to convert into 3D. And the second object, you can click again, sketch mode, and I will choose this plane. You can draw circle next of the rectangle. Okay, pull again to convert into 3D. Now if you want to group these two parts, you can change into the component. You can select these two objects, right click, and then choose move to new component. So you have this component 1, you can click, it will be automatically grouping the selected object. You can move into here. And if you want to move one by one, you can click the object and then you can move into another area. So if you want to move grouping, you can click the component, it will be set into group. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to group parts. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.